Hey, I know the women hate this title. Black men don't cheat. Skeet, skeet, skeet. Freight, freight, freight. Check it out on Tubi. Tubi TV up in here. This is a 2024 drama for ya. A young woman. Life is turned upside down when her perfect husband is brutally murdered and she finds herself in grave danger. Okay, let's see what's popping with this movie right here. And we need some feedback on this, especially if you don't smoke crack. All right? So check out the title once again and everything. Let me know what y'all think in the comments and everything, all that kind of good stuff. Subscribe, like, share. That's if you really care. Up in here. Tubi TV style. Make it do what it do. 313 Detroit Motown style. All right? Peace. We'll see y'all on the set.